Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to analyze Polkadot and its token DOT. None of the content is financial advice. Right now, the price of DOT is rallied by about 5% over the last 24 hours. Over the last 7 days as well, it's the second best performing asset, up by about 9% over the last 30 days. Most of the cryptos were down. DOT is not an exception, but still in the top quartile of this cryptos by price performance, and over the last 90 days has been a laggard, but again, this is the recency over the last 30 days, 7 days and 24 hours, where DOT has outperformed most of the cryptos. If we go and analyze the current price of DOT and how it relates to the machine learning based price forecast for DOT, this weekly average price for DOT is coming in at around $3.82. This is the weekly average price, not the daily price for DOT. This model takes into consideration weekly average price to forecast what the price could be in the next 6 months in a bull case, in a euphoria case, and in a blow off top scenario. The bull case without any euphoria, that is the one standard deviation 68th percentile bull case established by this bull ceiling over here for DOT in the next 6 months is price action between $4 and about $6. In case there is a euphoria phase towards the end of year and early January 2026, the ceiling for DOT in that environment is between $4.28 and about $12, slightly higher than what DOT achieved in March 2024 at around $10.75 and in December 2024 at $10.37 at a weekly average. In case of a blow-off top scenario, again, right now we don't have much insights into that model, as DOT is still creating a series of lower highs and lower lows ever since about March 2024, and also if we take a look back on this lower high structure since about January 2023, the lows have never stopped forming. So again, right now the max permissible bull case in if the rally were to extend till late January 2026 for DOT is at around $15. If we look at the regression based fair value for DOT, that is currently coming in at around $2.80. The price is currently close to the 2 standard deviation residual to the upside. That should offer some sort of a guideline if the price were to break out of that $5 or $4.50 level. Then the slope of this regression function could change. Right now it's still in a downward slope, so let's see when the price meets this orange line, what happens to the price action, if it breaks out to the upside or downside. If we look at the current time weighted average price based model, again the price has never recovered from the lows that it formed starting January 2022. Price has been consistently lower than this blue line. That means the time weighted average price has not been breached yet this late into the bull run of 2025. That's not a good sign. Time weighted average price based risk score is low, but if the hypothesis is that if eventually the prices would rally up to the time weighted average price, that ceiling is at around $11. So if under that scenario, if the price is currently close to that $5 target, $11 is about a 2x gain in terms of DOT's realistic case in that non-euphoria bull run scenario. If we look at the overall estimated bull run peak as it relates to the 3 different risk-based models for DOT, is currently at around $8.40. That's about a 2x of the current price of $4. And with that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.